In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. Sorry, we are experiencing unusual heavy traffic. Please try again in a few seconds. This is a common Amazon error and there are quite a number of steps you can take to try and fix this error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So as you can see, this error is caused by heavy traffic on Amazon server, and in most cases this error can only be solved by just waiting for some few minutes. Try again later and now everything should be okay. But in most cases, sometimes you might want to troubleshoot your app and you can easily get access or start using your app within no moment. For that, just go to your app and you'll need to access the app info page. To do that, just go to settings. So for this tutorial, I'm on an Android smartphone, and on settings, look for this option called apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Here, look for your app. If you can see it, mine is here. Just tap on it, or you can search for your app using this search bar. So if I tap on it, you can see we are on the app info page. Sometimes there might be a lot of background activities going on your app, thus resulting in this error message. For that, you just need to force stop the app and okay. Then go to clear data, and you need to clear cache data and okay. Once you are done, restart your smartphone and then go to your Amazon shopping app, and if you tap on it, now you should be able to log in and begin your purchases. However, should this not fix your problem, then you also want to ensure that you are not connected or using a VPN, as this can cause network issues and conflict. So turn off your VPN, then try logging into your app and everything should be okay. So by now you should be able to use your app without any issue. But should this not work, then you'll have to wait for some few minutes. Then you need to come back after some few minutes, open your app, and most likely the traffic will have gone down. Now you can use your app without any issue. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.